If you're a young wanderer with a passion for exploring the world, you're in the right place. In this comprehensive guide, we're about to embark on an exciting journey of exploration and adventure. We'll be sharing 10 invaluable travel tips to ensure your adventures are not only memorable but also safe and stress-free. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Plan and budget wisely. Our first tip is all about planning and budgeting. Before you embark on your journey, take the time to meticulously plan your adventure. Research your destinations, attractions, and activities to get a clear picture of what you want to experience. Create a detailed itinerary that includes not only the must-see tourist spots, but also hidden gems and local experiences. When it comes to budgeting, set a realistic budget for your trip. Consider all the costs involved, from flights and accommodations to daily expenses like food, transportation, and activities. It's important to have a clear idea of how much you can spend, which will help you make the most of your trip without breaking the bank. To manage your budget effectively, consider using budgeting apps or spreadsheets to track your expenses during the trip. Number 2. Embrace solo travel. Solo travel might seem intimidating, but it's a transformative experience. Embracing solo travel allows you to fully immerse yourself in new cultures, make spontaneous decisions, and meet incredible people along the way. It's an opportunity for self-discovery, personal growth, and the chance to step out of your comfort zone. Traveling alone provides the freedom to create your own schedule, make impromptu decisions, and learn to rely on your instincts. You'll become more adaptable and open to new experiences, and the sense of empowerment that comes with solo travel is truly liberating. Number 3. Pack light and smart. When it comes to packing, remember that less is often more. Opt for versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. Consider the weather conditions of your destination and pack accordingly, but try to pack clothing that can be layered to adapt to changing weather. Invest in quality travel gear, like a compact backpack with multiple compartments and a durable suitcase with wheels for easy maneuvering. Don't forget to pack essential travel accessories such as a universal adapter, a first aid kit, a travel pillow, and a portable charger. And remember, you can always buy toiletries and clothing on the road if needed, so pack only the essentials. Number 4. Stay in hostels and budget accommodations. To stretch your travel budget, consider staying in hostels, guest houses, or budget accommodations. These places not only provide cost-effective options, but also offer a fantastic opportunity to meet fellow travelers from around the world. Hostels often have communal spaces, making it easy to connect with like-minded individuals. You can swap travel stories, get recommendations from fellow travelers, and even find travel companions for your next adventure. Staying in hostels adds an extra layer of social interaction to your journey and often leads to unforgettable friendships. Number 5. Explore local cuisine. Food is a window into a culture's heart, and when you travel, it's essential to embrace local cuisine. Don't be afraid to try local dishes and street food. Sampling authentic flavors is not only delicious, but also a budget-friendly way to immerse yourself in the local culture. Venture off the beaten tourist path and ask locals for their favorite food spots. You'll discover hidden culinary gems and have the chance to interact with locals. Eating at local markets, street food stalls, and small family-owned restaurants allows you to connect with the community and savor the true essence of a place. Number 6. Connect with locals. Building connections with locals can transform your travel experience. To truly engage with the local culture, learn a few basic phrases in the local language and don't hesitate to strike up conversations with people you meet along the way. Immerse yourself in the local community by participating in cultural events, workshops, and activities. Attend local festivals, art exhibitions, and performances to gain unique insights into the destination's traditions and way of life. The connections you make with locals can provide a deeper understanding of the places you visit, and you may even form lifelong friendships. Number 7. Stay safe on the road. While traveling is exciting, safety should always be a top priority. Being prepared and cautious can significantly enhance your travel experience. Here are some key safety tips to keep in mind. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention to your surroundings, especially in unfamiliar areas. Trust your instincts and stay alert. Keep your belongings secure. Use lockable bags or pouches to protect your valuables. Consider anti-theft backpacks and money belts to safeguard important documents and money. Have copies of important documents. Make copies of essential travel documents, such as your passport, travel insurance, and any necessary visas. Store these copies in a secure location separate from the originals. By following these safety guidelines, you can enjoy your travels with peace of mind, knowing that you're well prepared for any situation. Number 8. Capture the moments. Make the most of your travels by capturing the moments. Whether it's with a camera or your smartphone, documenting your experiences through photographs and videos allows you to relive your adventures and share them with others. Invest in a good quality camera or smartphone with a decent camera. Learn some basic photography techniques to enhance the quality of your photos. Capture not only the iconic landmarks but also the candid moments, local people, and everyday scenes that make your journey unique. Number 9. Be flexible and open-minded. Travel often comes with unexpected twists and turns, and flexibility is a valuable trait for any traveler. Embrace these moments with an open mind and a willingness to adapt to new circumstances. Sometimes the best experiences happen when you go with the flow. If your plans change due to unforeseen circumstances like weather, transportation delays, or unexpected opportunities, look at it as an opportunity to explore something new. Be open to spontaneous adventures, and you'll often find that these unplanned moments become some of your most cherished travel memories. Number 10. Give back and leave no trace. Traveling is not only about personal experiences, but also about making a positive impact on the places you visit. Consider giving back to the communities you encountered during your travels. Engage in volunteer work or support local initiatives that benefit the community. This could include participating in cleanup efforts, teaching English, helping with local projects, or contributing to sustainable tourism practices. By giving back, you'll not only leave a positive mark on the places you visit, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the local culture and its people. Additionally, practice responsible and sustainable tourism by leaving no trace. Be environmentally conscious and respectful of the places you explore. Avoid leaving any trash or disturbances in natural and cultural sites, ensuring that they remain pristine for future travelers to enjoy. Smiling and facing the camera, and there you have it, an in-depth look at 10 essential travel tips for young adventurers like you. Remember, the world is a vast and diverse place waiting to be explored, so pack your bags, take these tips to heart, and embark on your next unforgettable journey. If you are like this video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel.